Here's a closer look at the Ultra Hybrid S for the iPhone X. This case has military-grade certified protection with a rigid back and flexible bumper. It also comes with a built-in kickstand. The case comes with a protective film that you can easily peel off. Start at the top corner and work your way down. Now you've got a crystal clear case with outstanding visibility. It's made to precisely fit the iPhone X, so it's easy to put on. Simply slide it in and snap on the corners. It flaunts the original glass back of the iPhone X while protecting your phone. The raised bezels provide extra protection for the phone and the camera lens. The raised lips provide extra protection for the screen. The tactile buttons are also responsive when adjusting the volume. And it's got a built-in kickstand you can use for a hands-free viewing experience. So flaunt your iPhone X with the clear and functional Ultra Hybrid S.